Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites, an active fixed-price contract or client approval for Milestones. Open My Jobs, pick the active contract, and go straight to the contract's detail page. Once there, locate the Milestones or escrow section. This is where you'll add a milestone. If you don't see it, make sure the contract is fixed price and the client hasn't disabled Milestones. Now that you're on the right page, prepare the milestone name, amount, and description before clicking Add Milestone. Now you'll enter the detailed fields. Give the milestone a concise title, describe deliverables clearly, and add a realistic due date. Set the dollar amount, use whole numbers or decimals like 0, 5 if needed, and decide whether the client funds the full milestone or partial amounts. Attach any supporting files or link prior messages to avoid scope disputes. Once complete, double-check scope versus amount. Clarity here prevents delays. When satisfied, click Propose or Add Milestone so the client can review and fund it. Finish by having the client approve and fund the milestone into escrow. You'll see the funded status on the contract. Deliver work by submitting the milestone for payment and include clear notes and attachments. Once submitted, wait for client review or payment release. Follow up politely if there's no response. If funding fails, messages aren't syncing, or disputes arise, document everything and contact Upwork support or use the contract dispute process as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.